Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power hardware and essential firmware. Check the adapter, battery, and LEDs to make sure the machine actually receives power. Once done, reboot into BIOS/UEFI and change any deep sleep or S3 settings and set AC recovery to on. These controls can force power save entry. While in BIOS, update firmware if available. This fixes known sleep bugs. Make these changes now so the operating system won't be fighting incorrect firmware behavior later. Next, you fix the operating system and driver layer that triggers sleep. Open power options and pick high performance, then turn off fast startup. This prevents hybrid sleep misbehavior. Make sure display and chipset drivers are current. If new drivers cause issues, roll back to the previous stable version. Also disable USB selective suspend and uncheck power saving on network and display adapters in Device Manager. These components commonly force power save mode. After changes, reboot to Finally, you verify and isolate remaining causes to finish the fix. Remove external peripherals and test with or without an external monitor to separate GPU or peripheral faults. Run Dell EPSA/diagnostics and inspect Event Viewer for ECP or driver errors. Those logs tell you why the system entered power save. If problems persist, reset BIOS to defaults, reset RAM and storage, and test again. If none of this helps, schedule warranty service. Hardware faults such as failing power circuits or motherboard issues require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.